Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. It seems like you're working with PyTwist, a Python library for working with Twist, which is a test management tool. If you're encountering issues where the CSV output is displaying bound method, instead of the actual field contents, it might be related to how you're accessing or printing the field values. Below is a tutorial that guides you through getting the contents of a field correctly. Ensure you have PyTwist installed. You can install it using pip. To get the contents of a field in a test case, you need to access the specific field using the appropriate method. When exporting data to CSV, be careful not to directly use the method as it might result in bound method being displayed. Instead, explicitly call the method to retrieve the field value. Save the script and execute it. This will create a CSV file with the correct field values. Make sure to replace your field name with the actual field name you want to retrieve. By explicitly calling the field method when accessing values, you should avoid getting bound method in your CSV output. This ensures that you're retrieving the actual contents of the field rather than the method object. ChatGPT.